Ever feel like investing is a confusing maze? You're not alone. Between picking stocks, navigating fees, and keeping up with the market, it's enough to make your head spin. That's where robo-advisors like StashAway Simple come in. They promise a hands-off approach, building a diversified portfolio based on your goals and risk tolerance. Sounds great, right? But before you jump in, will StashAway Simple actually lose you money? Let's break it down and see if this robo-advisor lives up to the hype. Robo-Advisor 101, the magic behind the machine. First things first, how do robo-advisors work? Imagine a financial advisor in a digital form. You answer some questions about your goals, like retirement or a down payment on a house, and your risk tolerance, how comfortable are you with ups and downs in the market. Based on your answers, the robo-advisor builds a personalized investment portfolio using a mix of assets like stocks and bonds. It then automatically rebalances this portfolio as needed to keep you on track. StashAway Simple, simplicity with a twist. StashAway Simple is a specific robo-advisor offered by the company StashAway. It focuses on simplicity, offering a single, globally diversified portfolio for all investors. This means you don't get to choose specific investments, but it also keeps things low maintenance. But here's the catch, StashAway Simple has fees. These fees can eat into your returns, so it's crucial to understand how they work. The fee factor, unveiling the costs. StashAway Simple charges a management fee. This is a percentage of your total investment amount taken out annually. The exact percentage can vary depending on how much you invest, but it typically falls somewhere between 0.3% and 0.8%. It might seem small, but those fees can add up over time, especially if you're investing for the long haul. So, will you lose money? The not-so-simple answer. Here's the thing, investment performance depends on a variety of factors, not just fees. The overall market performance will have the biggest impact on your returns. However, fees can definitely play a role. Here's the good news, StashAway Simple's fees are generally considered competitive compared to other robo-advisors. Here's the not-so-good news, even a small fee can significantly impact your returns over long periods. The bottom line, is StashAway Simple right for you? There's no one-size-fits-all answer. If you're a beginner investor who values simplicity and a low barrier to entry, StashAway Simple could be a good option. However, if you're fee-sensitive or have a high investment amount, you might want to explore other robo-advisors with potentially lower fees or more customization options. Remember, it's always wise to do your own research before investing. Consider factors like your investment goals, risk tolerance, and the overall fees involved. There are plenty of resources available online, and even some robo-advisors offer free consultations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.